Being married to Musa Mseleku or dating one of Musa Mseleko's children, it comes with a lot of benefits. Trust me, you're not gonna miss this one. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. I know the rest of the house is I'm gonna peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support. Please take care of yourself this festive season. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna start with Kelly Kumalo before I get to Vuyokazi and wife number 5. So guys, for those who don't know, Kelly Kumalo, she has 3 children. Firstborn with the Jub, second born with the late Senzo Meyiwa, and third born, I don't know the baby daddy. So Kelly Kumalo took to Instagram and this is what she has to say. This guy made me so proud this year. He passed away with the flying colors. Wulu Lamakosi, Mama is so proud of you. Congratulations to the young man. I know people don't like Kilikomale, but I'm not gonna lie, guys. Raising a boy child, it is not easy. Let's not lie. I mean, she's doing a great job. Kilikomale, we are proud of you. Anyway, guys, so let's get to story saga wife number 5. So for those who don't know, guys, before wife number 5 was introduced to us, I saw on Facebook posted by Mukosi Entertainment. Thank you for that information. Wife number 5 was sitting on 1,000 followers, guys. She was introduced to us. It's been less than 72 hours. Right now, as I'm speaking to you today, she's sitting on 7,229 followers, guys. You know, dating Mseleku or being married to Mseleku's family, it has a lot of benefit. The chances for her to hit 100,000 followers next year is gonna be easy for her, guys. They're sitting on 400,000 followers. Abo Vuyokazi, abo Tirel. No one at Mseleku's household is sitting under 100,000 followers, guys. Every social media platform, they are doing so much. You will think they are the only celebrities in South Africa. So let's get to Vuyokazi, guys. I feel like Vuyokazi need to be grateful for dating. I mean, it was a reason, I don't know how to say, but God knew that when Vuyokazi was dating Pumelelo, there will be a lot of opportunities for her. So for those who don't know, Vuyokazi, yesterday she did announce to us that she want to start a YouTube channel. She already started a YouTube channel, asking people to subscribe within less than 24 hours. So Vuyokazi, she's sitting on 8,000 subscribers, and she did post a video that is sitting on 19,000 views, guys. The chances for Vuyokazi to be monetized today is very high. Congratulations to Vuyokazi, guys, for winning, guys. We know how hard to grow a YouTube channel. For you to reach 1,000 subscribers, it can take you years and years. Some people, it takes them 2 years, 6 months. So for Vuyokazi, it took her a day to reach 1,000 subscribers and to get the 4,000 watching hours. That says a lot. So what I'm trying to say about Vuyokazi, guys, as much as a lot of things happened between her and Mpumelelo Mseleku, but Vuyokazi should be grateful for Mpumelelo, guys. What if God used Mpumelelo for Vuyokazi to get the opportunities that she's getting? What I'm trying to say is that not every bad things that is happening to you, they are here to destroy your life. Some of the things that they are happening to build you. So look at Vuyokazi today. There's a lady in my community, guys. She once dated a guy with a tender, construction tender. You know those guys with tender guys, right? So this lady, she was desperate, guys, after the guy left her and married someone else. As I'm speaking to you right now, this lady, she's rich. She has her own business, her own company. She's also doing tenders. So maybe God has a way of opening opportunities for you, guys. Obviously God uses people. I know I'm making sense. If I'm not making sense, tell me in the comment section. I'm not trying to say that Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo, they don't deserve each other. They do, guys, deserve each other. It's just that things that happen between Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi, maybe it was a way for Vuyokazi to get where she is today. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think? And there are people that are saying that we must stop talking about Vuyokazi. Guys, do you know that there are a lot of celebrities in South Africa that wish to be Vuyokazi right now? Celebrities will do anything just to trend, guys. Guys, the trending is very important. Sometimes Musa Mseleku will post the other wives and not post the Tobile or Mangwabe. He knows that will talk. It is a marketing strategy. Do you think those ladies that are dating Pumelelo, they don't want to be known? They want to be known because there's a benefit to being known, guys. You can start a business online. You can start a YouTube channel. You can make something out of nothing, guys, you know. So do you think, guys, Usain Boji, she doesn't enjoy trend? She knows that if she gets trend, she gets fully booked, guys. Our Michelin Damase, they've been trending for all the shini, but no one is canceling her. She's now the top influencer in South Africa. So those who are saying that we should give Vuyokazi a break, I don't understand, because when we talk about Vuyokazi, she gets brands deal. When you talk about Tirel, one thing about Tirel, when you talk about her, after that she will advertise the businesses on her Instagram page. That's a part of marketing strategy. This is how social media work. I hope you understand, guys. It's not that deep. Don't take it personal. If we talk about Vuyokazi, at least you must be happy that we are still talking about her. If you're no longer talking about her, chances for her to get the opportunities that she's getting right now, she might not get it. So people, celebrity, that's part of being a celebrity, guys. It comes with the good and the bad. Anyway, guys, enjoy the festive season. Be very, very careful. It is a Friday. Take care of yourself. Do not forget to subscribe to like it, comment,